guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about something I get asked about a lot, especially this time of year. I have a lot of my friends asking me about it. It's this time of year, a lot of people start to really clean out their houses, they clean out their closets, and they want to know what's the best way to maybe make a few dollars on the stuff that they are cleaning out from their closets. And so many of them, especially if they've never sold online before, I usually send them to Poshmark and encourage them to use Poshmark. I have been selling on Poshmark since 2014. So I think I started February 2014, so we're going on 4 years now of me selling on Poshmark. And I actually did not start by selling on Poshmark. The first things I sold online were actually on Etsy. And I had no idea what I was doing. I was really stressing out over shipping stuff, and I only would use flat rate boxes because I didn't know how to weigh things to ship them. So I'm really, really happy that Poshmark exists now, and that I can, send people that way to go to learn how to sell things online. I really like how Poshmark has streamlined the process of selling online in terms of shipping. They charge one flat rate for shipping for anything under 5 pounds, which is mostly anything that you're going to sell is going to be under 5 pounds. If you are selling clothes, shoes, it has to be like a fashion item on Poshmark. You can't sell stuffed animals and things like that. It has to be clothing. But as long as you're selling clothing, you're really not going to go over 5 pounds unless you sell a bundle, which it's very rare that you're going to sell a bundle that's going to go over 5 pounds. So Poshmark, if you don't know, is an app that you download on your phone, and it is very, very easy to use. You basically just snap some pictures of whatever you want to sell, and then you upload the pictures. You just write in a title and a description. You write in a title and a description, and then you put your own price on it. Poshmark collects a 20% commission fee, and then they charge the shipping fee separate from what you price it, and it will actually show you in the app how much you will earn from your sale on that item. So to get started, I really encourage you to go to your own closet or your parents' closet, or just find some stuff that nobody wants anymore. Try to pick stuff that is of good quality, that you have not sent through the washing machine 1,000 times. Make sure there's no holes, no stains, no pilling on the shirt, the little fuzzies that you get on when you wash something a lot. Make sure it doesn't have a ton of wear on it. So try to find at least 10 items. Shoes, clothes, jewelry, whatever you have just kind of laying around that you don't really want anymore. Then take some pictures of it. Try to use natural lighting, take your pictures by a window and have those in your phone. And then, so you're going to download the app, and you can use my referral code, which is SYDNEYELLE. I'll post that here and down in the description box below. You can use that. It will give you a $5 credit on Poshmark when you sign up. I only get a credit from it if you buy something, so I would really just like to know if you went and signed up from my video. I would just to be interested to know how many people watch this and go sign up for it. So that's really why I would encourage you to use my referral code. But you will get a $5 credit that you can use to buy something on there if you use it. Anyway, so you download the app, you sign up. You really only need your phone so that you can download the app, and you need a way to print your shipping labels. Whether you have a printer at your house, or you can go to the library or at school, wherever you can print a shipping label. You don't have to have sticky labels or anything like that. You can tape the labels onto the box. You don't have to have sticky labels. So you sign up for the app, you list your item, title, description, price, post it. Poshmark is a very sociable selling app, so you can actually share your items over and over again to give them more exposure, and then you can go and you can share other people's items so that then they will in turn share your items, and then that gives your closet more exposure and will help you make more sales. I have several videos on Poshmark that go into way more details. I have a whole playlist on my channel, and I will link like my shipping videos down below. That seems to be the most popular one, and that will help you kind of learn the process of shipping things. I get most of my shipping supplies at the Dollar Tree. In terms of mailers and boxes that you can get those free from the post office, which I do talk about in my Poshmark shipping video, link down below in the description box. So just go watch that video and it will explain everything you need to know about shipping. Poshmark does encourage you to kind of package your items, you know, pretty, as I like to call it. You can do that very simply. Just go to Dollar Tree, get some tissue paper, you know, wrap it up, put a cute little thank you note with it, and send it. It doesn't have to be anything expensive. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. But I do feel like you should at least include like some sort of thank you note in each one of your packages, because these people like spent money on something that you're selling. So you know, it's beneficial to say thank you to them. So that's how you get started listing stuff on Poshmark. And the more you list, the more you're going to sell. So it's very easy. Once you do sell something, they send you a label directly to your email, and you just print that right out. You put it on your shipping box or mailer or whatever you have gotten to ship your item in, and you put it in the mail or take it to the post office. Either one will work. But it's just a very easy, streamlined way to, you know, clean out your closet. Maybe you need money for like a prom dress, or maybe you need money for, you know, you want to take your kids to dance lessons, or you want to start an emergency fund. Poshmark is very much a great way to, you know, start a savings account. I wish I would have known about this earlier, like when I was in high school, because I would have loved to have started a savings for college. But I did find out about it in college, which helped me a lot. It helped me to kind of earn like extra money in college. I did work during college, but this was just like an easier way for me to kind of earn some extra cash. So I do encourage you to go download Poshmark. I do have videos on it. Like I said, you can watch those as well. But it's just a great app. It's a great app to help you to earn extra money with just your phone. I mean, you can do this like in your spare time. You don't have to devote a ton of time to it. But I mean, like when you're sitting on the couch at night, you could be like sharing stuff on Poshmark and making money. Like while you're watching TV, you can just be like sharing stuff. Like they have Posh parties 3 times a day, and you can share your stuff to the parties. Actually, it's more than 3 times a day now, because there's usually a party at 7, so I think it's 4 times a day. But as long as your items meet the criteria, and then the last party of the day, you can basically share anything to it. So lots and lots of ways to sell stuff on Poshmark to get your items exposure. You know, it's not just like listing it and then you have to hope someone finds it. You can share it and, you know, interact with people and get your items sold, which is great. It's a great app. They are rolling out new features every day. You can do men's items, you can do kids items, you can do like dresses, shoes, jewelry. I sell my handmade jewelry on there, my bangles. If you make something that somebody can wear, you can sell that on there. Like if it's a brand new product, like that's a boutique item. If you have made it, and you can sell that on there, and you know, get your product exposure on there. So many ways to make money on Poshmark. But that is my video for today's how to make money with your phone. If you have any questions for me, please leave them down in the comments below. I do hope you'll subscribe, because I am going to make this a series in terms of how to make money with your phone, since there are so many ways that you can earn an extra passive income. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and make sure you turn on the notifications so that you'll never miss a video the next time I post. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!